Hello guys, this is Josh Gokotanokit and welcome to my channel. And this is original and I composed it by Miami and I by the lyrics of Magpakailanman, which is the English is forever. So let's start. Forever will not change. This is what my heart shall until the end of the world. Many can expect my protection. No matter what my path will be taken, so that we are not far away. Hope to always be with you. This is my prayer. Forever will not change. This is what my heart shall what my heart is shouting forever. This is my voice to you, calling, be with me. I hope to open your heart to all. Forever will not change. This is what my heart is shouting. Forever, forever. So guys, alam ko na pakinggan nyo na itong magpakailaman, pero wala pa nangagawa ng English version nito, kaya ako lang compose nito at inano ko sa Google, inayos ko to. At salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Next you and see the video in Take Me Out of the Dark Tagalog version with Josh Cocotano Aquino. And that's me. See you all guys next time. Bye bye.